Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. To recap, last time we had the battle between Goku and Thanos. To see more episodes, make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on notification bell for more awesome moments. Now let's get started. Da 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 da. R do da da you. Da da ready. Da da for do da da fast. Friends beatbox battles. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to an all-new episode of Fester Friends Beatbox Battles. After reading the votes, looks like Goku will be going on to the next round. Haha, nice! And I thought we were all gonna die from that battle. Anyways, today's battle is between two people who are both shy, both are cowards, and they're very popular characters. In this corner, she's from Paper Puppets Take Two, and sometimes she could be a little shy. Well, actually, a lot shy. She's returning from season 6. Today we have Milk.
Hi, I'm back in this beatbox thing. Who's my new opponent?
Well, in this corner, he's a cowardly dog. He's pink. And he's protect his family from monsters. Today we have Courage. Oh, hi. The name's Courage. Courage the cowardly dog.
So, I have to beat this dog named Courage? Okay. He looks kind of weird.
I mean, look at you. You're a milk. A carton of milk. That's weirder than usual.
Yeah, well, I'm proud about myself.
Wow, you guys went right into smack talking. So, Milk, would you like to go first?
Okay.
Huh, she's definitely going to embarrass herself. Shy. Alright, Courage. Just give Milk a chance. You never know if she tries. Anyways, 1, 2, 3, begin!
Eek! Okay.
Well, it takes courage. So I have to beat Courage right now. Because you really suck now. I have to beat Courage right now. Listen, Courage, you think you can beat me right now? In this battle, I'm gonna tell you something right now. Listen, Courage, you're really stinky. Courage, you're just a cowardly dog. Courage the cowardly dog, you're really dumb. Because I am gonna move on and Milk is gonna win now. And you're a ripoff of Scooby-Doo. And your show is way terrible than Ed and Eddie. Yeah. You will lose this time here. Because you know I'm gonna win. My name is Milk, and I'm gonna take the trophy now. Courage, Kylie, dog, you really gonna lose to me because it's very easy, and I am a little shy now. Just now. Just lose to me, Courage. Because you please yeah. Shut up. With the beatbox. Tips happen. Alright, Milk, that was pretty cool. Courage, any comments?
Courage, are you okay?
No, I am not okay. I just have to think about your performance. It was really, I didn't like it.
Well, it's your turn to embarrass yourself.
All right, here we go with courage. 1, 2, 3, start.
Waka
Ooh, 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 ooh. Here I go.
This is the time.
Yeah, my name is Courage the Cali Dog.
Moment
I'm gonna beat this girl named Milk. Even though she's a milk carton,
to be
I'm a really Cali dog.
the winner.
With a lemon. Ah! Listen, Milk. You say you want a baby. Well, that is a happening in a million years. Come on, Milk. You really think you want a baby? Well, that's a happening in a million years. With the beatbox. Because you really suck, Milk. Because you know I am better than you. And your monsters are really horrifying. Oh, yeah? If I was there, I want to protect you. Because I won't be there to protect you, Milk. You're just a cowardly Milk. You're just a cowardly Milk. And you got eliminated from Paper Post Take Two. I am gonna win. You know I think I will beat you. And I am gonna win. Look, go, blues. Milk, because you're really dumb. Wow, Courage, that was pretty good. Milk, what do you think about that?
Oh, it was just okay.
Just okay? Well, listen to your performance from season 6. You got destroyed by Mugman.
Yeah, I may have lost, but at least I made it into Dream Island.
Wait, who won Dream Island from season 6? That was Lightbulb.
Yeah, Lightbulb won. But, is it time for the viewers to vote?
Yep, it's up to you guys to vote which one of these characters you guys think won the battle. We'll see you all next time, folks.